The therapeutic benefits of cinnamon oil and how to make it. Cinnamon is one of the most well-known spices in the world and is valued for its medicinal, gastronomic and cosmetic uses. This spice is extracted from the veran tree and is used to prepare beverages and desserts. However, it can also be included as the main ingredient of many home remedies. Cinnamon stands out for its aromatic qualities. That's why it's used in the manufacturing of perfumes, air fresheners, and house cleaning products. In addition, it has many internal and external uses and can treat many diseases since it's rich in antibacterial substances and antioxidants. The best part is that it's cheap and easy to incorporate into your diet. In fact, it can be easily combined with many other ingredients. Although many usually consume it in infusions and shakes, there are other methods to benefit from all of its properties. One of these methods is to create a therapeutic oil. It's ideal for relieving skin problems, ailments and problems in the immune system. In today's article, we want to show you how to prepare this therapeutic oil. We'll also tell you about all the benefits of using it. How to prepare a therapeutic cinnamon oil. This medicinal oil is very simple to prepare and you can make it even if you're not suffering from any particular condition. Since its ingredients are long-lasting, you can even prepare some to keep in your medicine cabinet. In addition, although some herbal and health food shops sell it ready for use, this alternative guarantees the quality of its ingredients for a cheaper price. Ingredients: 12 cinnamon sticks, 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 200 grams, 1 airtight glass jar. Method: add the cinnamon sticks to the glass jar and then pour in the extra virgin olive oil. Make sure the sticks are well covered by the oil, seal the jar and store it in a warm place. Let the product concentrate for 2 to 3 weeks. Shake it every day so that the cinnamon extracts mix well with the oil. After the recommended time has passed, separate the remains of cinnamon using gauze or a strainer made of similar material. To finish, pour the product into a dark bottle and store it in a cool place. It's that easy. What are the benefits of therapeutic cinnamon oil? Cinnamon oil is rich in antibacterial and antifungal substances that effectively fight a wide variety of pathogens that affect our health. Moreover, the combination of ingredients relieves inflammation, inhibits cell damage caused by free radicals and, in turn, strengthens the immune system. Among its main benefits are: 1. It prevents colds. Applying and consuming cinnamon oil is a simple way to prevent and alleviate the uncomfortable symptoms of the flu and colds. Furthermore, its compounds unblock the airways, soothe congestion and facilitate the elimination of viruses and bacteria that cause it. 2. Cinnamon fights diabetes. It has been proven that cinnamon is one of the best spices to combat uncontrolled blood sugar levels. If you add 2 or 3 drops of this oil to your regular diet, you can get interesting benefits that fight against diabetes. 3. Tea relieves arthritis. Patients with arthritis and bone ailments can get some relief when directly applying this natural product. Cinnamon oil stimulates blood flow and decreases inflammation to soothe the pain and movement difficulties that are caused by this problem. 4. It combats skin infections. Cinnamon oil is easily absorbed through the pores of the skin. Since it's antibacterial, regularly using it decreases all types of skin infections. It's ideal for patients with athlete's foot, psoriasis and other disorders that affect the skin's health. 5. It reduces fatigue. Cinnamon oil massages are helpful in relieving the symptoms of physical and mental fatigue. Its compounds improve blood circulation, promote the passage of oxygen to the brain and optimize the use of energy. 6. It fights vaginal infections. A little cinnamon oil diluted in shower water can help balance vaginal pH to cope with infections. Moreover, using it in small amounts decreases the presence of bacteria and yeast. It also controls symptoms such as itching, discharge, and bad odor. Have you ever prepared your own cinnamon oil? Now that you know how to make it at home, follow the simple steps and keep this spectacular remedy on hand.